Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little hair haul for you because I'm about to go into hair hibernation for the winter and for the holidays, meaning I'm going to do a protective style to my hair. So I needed to go re-up on some things. So I went shopping today and I'm going to show you guys what I got. Actually, it's kind of a hair and a nail haul because I needed to get a couple things from nails too. So let's run through everything and see what we have. Okay, so we're gonna start with the biggest one. I have been kind of wanting this for a while and it was the perfect time to get it due to the style that I am going to do, but I got the Revlon paddle brush for my blowout. I am going to be putting in some kinkistry wefted hair. I'm gonna be sewing it in, so I'm gonna blow out my hair to make it easier for me to braid. I normally don't do this when I style my hair and like sew in some extensions, but I wanted to do it this time to just try this out and to make it just a little bit easier and faster. So I am super excited about this. I got this from Ulta for $39.99. So can't wait to try this out. I think I'm actually gonna film a video of me blowing my hair out because I haven't blown my hair out in ages, been probably at least a couple of years. So I'm very excited. Okay, next we have some semi-permanent hair dye, AKA a rinse. So I am graying, by the way. I'm graying a little bit early. So one, I need to dye my hair, and two, the extensions that I'm gonna put in, they come in like a natural brown kind of color. I want them to be a little bit darker. So I got some semi-permanent hair dye, 2 bottles, because that should be enough. And I got it in a natural black color. This is the vegan hair dye, and I use this kind of stuff all the time, so I just needed to upgrade and got the natural black color just to make sure everything looks all smooth and seamless and is all the same color and all of that. Okay, next I got some black soap from my local beauty supply store. Oh, and the hair dye was also from the local beauty supply store. So I got this from the local beauty supply. I got some African black soap so that I can make a little bit of African black soap shampoo. I'm having a little bit of scalp issues. I don't know if it's because of the water where I am now. I don't know, but I've never really had like a dry scalp before and like a little bit of an itchy scalp. So I'm gonna try I've used to use African black soap shampoo, but I just kind of switched away from it because I guess maybe I didn't need it at the time, but anyway, whatever. I'm going to wash my hair with this 2 good times before I put the hair in, and just monitor my scalp throughout, just to make sure everything is okay. But this is really good for like any scalp issues or skin irritation or anything like that. And this one happens to have some black castor oil infused in it. At my local beauty supply store, they had like ones with coconut oil infused, castor oil, lavender oil, all different kinds. So I just picked castor oil, whatever, but excited about this. Next, to make sure I get the hair in, I have some weaving thread. This is by the brand Annie. And then I also have 2 curved needles to secure the hair in as well. So standard, pretty simple, but I needed some of this to make sure that everything is all good to go and squared away. Holy grail. So I picked up some more Eco Styler. I actually ran out, so I'm going to use this. The hair that I'm putting in looks like extremely similar to my hair. So I'll be using this to style the extensions and my hair. So this is a repurchase that, you know, everyone uses this. I also like the Extreme Wet Line Gel too. I just kind of switch back and forth to whatever I can find the easiest. So this time I got the black castor and flaxseed oil kind. Okay, so moving right along to the nail stuff. Well, never mind, I take that back. The last hair thing that I got from my local beauty supply are some applicator bottles. These are so amazing for really curly, thick hair to make sure to get stuff in at the root. I learned this tip from Natural 85, so thank you, Whitney. And yeah, so I had to pick up a few more of these. I'm going to put my shampoo in this and make sure that it's like really good into my scalp And if you have really thick hair or really curly hair, just to make sure things really get there, I would highly recommend putting stuff in here like oil or shampoo, that kind of thing. So these are just always super handy. Okay, so the last two things I got from the beauty supply are nail related. So I picked up some press-on nails to just have in emergency situations, you know, where I don't have time to do a full-on gel manicure and all of that. So I got these kind of stuck out at me. They were navy blue and I thought they were super cool. I'm not really big into colored nails, but I don't know, I kind of got suckered in and they're super cute. So yeah, I'm gonna try these out. Okay, and the last thing I got, I'm super excited about. This is by Kiss. It is the Design Perfection kind of nail templates. So I don't know if you can see this, but basically there's these little stickers that help you do kind of simple nail art. And I specifically got these for the French tips and the half moon tips as well. I really like half moon manicures. So I am super excited about this, and this will help me achieve that look at home. And this was super affordable, only $3.99. It has 86 little stickers in there, so should last you for quite a while, quite a few manicures, and I'm super excited to try this. Okay, and last but not least, we stopped at Target, my favorites. I just got a couple of things, so let me show you. Okay, so first I got this heat protectant just to make sure to protect my hair from the blowout. I don't really blow out my hair or use direct heat on it too much. Well, that's not true. I do use direct heat on it, but I mean, I don't like straighten it or like blow dry it straight. So this will help protect against that. This is just a Tresemme one. I've used this before on like extensions, but I've never actually used it on my hair. But I'm like, this is the one that I just first saw, so I'm just gonna try this out. Hopefully it works out well, and we'll see. Then I picked up some nail glue for the press-on nails. So I like this nail glue the best. It's the Kiss Maximum Speed nail glue, and it's very affordable. I picked up 2 of them just to put into my nail collection. And then finally, I got a nail polish. I was just kind of interested in, you know, changing something up, doing something a little fun and funky, you know what I mean? So this is City Style Hands and Extreme Wear. I am going to probably paint my nails with this. It's this like pretty deep purpley pink kind of color. What's the shade? Peplum. That's kind of cute actually. That's kind of cute. That's pretty clever. It's called Peplum. So love it, and it's just something fun, something different. Like I said, I don't really do color that much, but I was kind of craving it, you know, trying to step outside my box and everything. So we love it. I'm gonna try it out, and I guess I'll report back and let you know if I like it. Or actually, better yet, I'll probably put pictures up on my Instagram, so you can follow me there if you care. Hi, future me. I just wanted to pop in because I forgot something. I got this detangling brush. I've been seeing ads about this freaking brush for so long. This isn't the actual brand. I think the original brand maybe is Curl-tastic, but I found this on Amazon, and this has pretty good reviews, or polarizing, depending on how you look at it. But it's a lot softer than what I thought. I thought it was going to be like super hard, but it's more, not necessarily rubbery, but a lot more flexible instead of super rigid than what I thought. So apparently, like when you're detangling your hair, like since this moves, it makes it easier and causes less breakage or what have you. So I got suckered. I just got suckered, but I'm excited to try it. I'm gonna wash my hair tonight and detangle it. So we'll see. We'll see how it works for the curly hair. Okay, and that's it. That's all that I got from my Ulta, beauty supply, and Target little hair / nail haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Have you tried any of this stuff? Let me know. Are some of these repeats like they are for me? You let me know. Spill the tea. Let me know if I need to pick up anything else. So I really appreciate you watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Let me know why. Spill the tea. Give me some feedback. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.